Adventurers, welcome to another episode of Clark Adventures. Today we're talking about stability. Myself, maybe a little unstable, but not to the point where I'm kicking in chairs and knocking down tables at a restaurant in a West End town. That's the Pet Shop Boys. This is our Minnie Winnebago, which did not come with stabilizing jacks or any stabilizers of any kind. So when we're parked, it really much depends on the suspension itself. So when you move around, you're moving around on those wheels and the tires. But we did something to add a little more stability to the back end or the bedroom area of the Winnebago. Let's get uncomfortable, crawl underneath, and see what we did. We did purchase a pair of scissor type stabilizing jacks on Amazon for about $95. And then went to the Home Depot and got some grade 8 bolts, nuts, and lock washers to secure them. The scissor jacks came with a crank bar to raise and lower them, but I'll show you a little bit later how I like to do it. You pull the jack under, extend it, and so I could mark the holes so I know where to drill. And then I just drill away. Then you bring the jack back to secure it into place with the bolts, nuts, and washers. Well, there you have it, a nice little not too expensive upgrade to give Minnie a little more stability, or maybe your RV camper or trailer if it doesn't have leveling jacks or stabilizers. MacGyvering. That's what I did. Thanks for watching Clark Adventures. We'll see you next time.